Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1408, string matching an array in JavaScript. It's considered an easy problem. Given an array of string words, return all strings and words that are substrings of another word. You can return the answer in any order. Pretty simple to understand. So if we're given this array words, we return as and hero because as exists in mass and hero exists in superhero. I'll do one more here. So in the case of this words, Leetcode, we return Leetcode at encode. We return at encode because both at and code exist in Leetcode. That's all you gotta do. All right, so let's grab this input. Let's create our function. Console. All right. So what we want to do to start, well, let's talk about this for a second. So we're doing a nested for loop, right? So we're going to take this first word, and that's going to be the outer loop, right? Then our inner loop is going to go through these three words, and we're going to check to see if this word is in these three words, right? And then we're going to cover this word, and then for the outer loop and the inner loop is going to go through these two and check if this word is in those two. And then this is our outer loop and inner loop, and there's one left. We just check if this is in that. But what we need to do first is sort it in order of the length of each string. So we want the shortest string to start, right? Because we know that if a string is longer, like if hero, there's no way hero could be inside as because hero has more letters, right? So if we just sort in ascending order by length, we can do what I said with that nested for loop. So we're going to say sort A, B, and then here what we need to do is we need to say A dot length minus B dot length. We'll sort the words in order of length. You can see that if we return words. Yep, cool. And so we're going to do that check, and if that is true, in that nested for loop, we're going to push the word into subs. So we got to do nested for loop. We say let 0, I is less than words dot length I plus plus for let j equal I plus 1. J is less than words dot length plus, and then we can just have a simple if statement that checks if words at j dot includes words at I. But we need another check too, okay? Because let's say we had one more string here, right? Has. Okay. We're going to see that as is in both mass and a has. And so what's going to happen is you're going to push into subs as twice. We don't want that. We just want, because what they're asking for is turn all strings and words that are substrings in another word, right? So you just want to see that word once. So we also need to say and subs dot include does not include. Right? That's what this exclamation point is saying. Words at I. If that's the case, we push into subs words at I. So here, if we return subs, it adds in here. So we're going to test this out in Leetcode. It should be good to go. And we are. All right. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.